make a nice dry fire press, so rack the slide. Nice steady squeeze. Let it surprise you.
I always draw from this one first.
All right. You can load.
Are we supposed to make empty one like towards the back? So like this one?
All right, holster.
You draw from first.
So I try to do it where it's the first point that I go to. This one's my
Now I want you to get a really, really good trigger press. Make sure your sight is all lined up and everything's level.
one I draw from.
Get 2 good hits, and then we're gonna move over to the other side and get 2 more good hits. Okay. Shooter, do you understand the course of fire?
Yeah.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yes.
Stand by.
No, it went up further along. I don't have to like struggle to reach.
Nice steady squeeze. Good job. All right, let's go over the other side. Good job keeping your finger off the
There you
trigger.
go. Well done. Yay.
Slide forward, hammer down, and holster.
Well done.